Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward but incredibly useful. How to purchase a Costco gift card in 2025. Whether you're looking to surprise a loved one, reward an employee, or just stock up for your own shopping sprees, Costco makes it easier than ever. I'm excited to walk you through the steps, so let's dive right in. First off, you need to be a Costco member to buy gift cards, as it's a members-only perk. If you're not already signed up, head to the Costco website or visit a store to get your membership. It's worth it for the savings alone. Once you're good to go, there are two main ways to purchase a gift card: online or in-store. Let's start with the online method. Fire up your computer or phone and go to the official Costco website. Navigate to the Gift Cards section, which you can find under the shopping menu. Here, you'll see a variety of options, from $25 cards up to $500 or more. Select the amount you want, add it to your cart, and proceed to checkout. You'll need to log in with your membership details, choose your payment method, like credit card, debit, or even Costco Cash, and confirm your order. Pro tip: in 2025, Costco has streamlined digital delivery, so if you're buying for someone else, you can opt for an e-gift card that's emailed instantly. If you prefer the in-store experience, grab your membership card and head to your local Costco warehouse. Look for the customer service desk or the gift card kiosk, usually near the front entrance. Tell the staff what you need. They're super helpful, and they'll ring it up for you on the spot. Payment is quick and easy, just like any other purchase. One cool update for 2025. Some locations now offer customizable designs for your gift cards, adding a personal touch. Before you wrap up, keep an eye out for any promotions. Costco often runs deals where you get bonus value or discounts on gift cards, especially during holidays. Always double-check the expiration policies too. Most Costco gift cards don't expire, but it's good to confirm. And there you have it. Purchasing a Costco gift card in 2025 is a breeze and can make for the perfect gift. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.